G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now templates is what we're going to take a look at in this video, and specifically from your OneDrive for Business, you now can create documents, start documents from templates. Now we've been able to do this in SharePoint via content types and things like that, but now you can do that directly within OneDrive for Business. Not only your standard Office templates, but if you have the organizational assets library deployed to your tenant, then you can use organizational templates as well. So things like sales presentations, proposals, and things like that, we can standardize and make it really easy for people to start from an existing template. Let's have a look at this functionality in action. We can see that I'm logged in to Microsoft 365 and inside of OneDrive. I'll jump into my files and you can see I've got my folders, I've got my files. Now, when I hit this new add new button, you can see this new experience. You can see that we've got all of our recommended templates provided by Microsoft out of the box. But you'll also see here, this organization's called Contoso. We've got a little tab here called Contoso, and I've got a PowerPoint deck that is here ready for me to start from. So when I click this, you can see that I get a preview of what this document or this template is, and I've got the option here to edit in PowerPoint. Now, when I edit in PowerPoint, it's going to open up into the browser, and you can see I've got a file name called Presentation 1. That means I've got another file called Presentation in the same location. It's just renamed it. Now, when I click on this option up the top, you can see the location. It's in the default or the root directory of my OneDrive for Business. I can now either open it in PowerPoint in the application that's installed on my desktop, or I can continue editing this inside of the browser. Now, what about if we're in a folder? So you can see I've got a folder here called Presentations. It's blank at the moment. Let's create a new document. Again, same experience. You can see that I've got this option here to where it's being created, and I can see that I've got the option to create it directly inside of this Presentations folder, or I can browse to a location in my OneDrive or other locations as well to create a document based off this template. So let's say I want to use it in a different SharePoint site, then I can do that as well. And I can choose the sites from my quick access, or I can click more places, and then I've got all of my shared libraries where I can create a new document based off this template from. So I'm just going to cancel that. I'll keep it inside of Presentations. I'll click on Contoso, and then I can click the edit button, and it's going to create a brand new document, in this case a PowerPoint document, in that location. We can see that, and it's just clarification here, we're inside of the Presentations folder. Now we can go Copilot Readiness proposal, and I'll hit, and I've renamed that. So now if I close this, I'll close this other tab as well. I'm inside Presentations. Let me just jump out and jump back in again. And what we will see is our new file that has been created based off that template. So there we go, being able to present and have an organizational assets library. When it is provisioned, we've now got the option to create new documents based on Microsoft templates and also your organizational templates directly from OneDrive for Business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.